In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Airtable. Airtable offers a versatile platform that combines the functionality of a database with a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent tool for creating surveys. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a complete understanding of each phase. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself back on the Airtable main dashboard. Think of this as your launching pad for creating anything within Airtable. Today, it's where your survey journey begins. So, let's dive right into it. Your first step will be to click on the Create button. This option is prominently displayed and will be the starting point for your survey project. After clicking Create, you'll notice several starting options laid out for you, such as templates and existing projects. We're aiming for the Forms interface, so go ahead and click on the Forms option. At this juncture, you'll want to select a template that suits your needs. For demonstration purposes, let's go with the Product Feedback Form template. Templates are like a set of training wheels. They provide a structural framework that you can later tweak to better fit your needs. Click on the Use Template button to add this form to your workspace. Now, you'll find yourself within a designated area labeled as My First Workspace. This space is essentially your creative canvas where you'll craft and manage your projects. To set things in motion, click on the Add Base button. This will allow you to integrate your new form template seamlessly into the workspace. Once the base is added, it's time to head back to the Forms section, conveniently located in the toolbar associated with your new project. This is where the real customization magic happens. You can personalize the survey form based on your specific requirements. Tweak the questions, add new fields, adjust field types, or even eliminate any sections that you feel are unnecessary. This step is crucial as it allows you to tailor the survey to gather the exact information you're aiming for. Don't forget, when drafting your questions, clarity is key. Pay close attention to detail and structure them in a concise manner. This ensures you'll receive the most accurate responses from your survey participants. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a survey in Airtable. But remember, Airtable's immense flexibility offers you the golden opportunity to adjust or modify any aspect of the survey as you progress. So, feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in, and happy surveying.